Norway's tourism combines history, culture, and environment with the Arctic Circle and the pristine, ice-blue seas around the country. The Pulpit Rock, Svalbard, Geirangerfjord, Nordkapp, and Tromsø attractions will join Flam from the start as part of Norway's most refined. We prepared a brief selection of the best places to visit in Norway in this article. We will add more tourist locations and goods to the brand in the months and years to come. Consequently, they will wish to revisit us and advise relatives, family, and friends to follow. Top 6 venues to visit in Norway. 1. Pulpit Rock. As a tourist site ideal for energetic travelers, Pulpit Rock, Preikestolen, is one of Norway's most famous sites, owing to the harrowing trip. The location is close to Stavanger, requiring boat and bus trips, a 2-hour walk up the almost flawlessly flat cliff, overlooking Fjord, and 600 meters above sea level. 2. Geirangerfjord. Geirangerfjord is located in the Sunnmøre area in the west of the nation. The tourist site is extraordinarily famous and preserves magnificent sceneries with enormous cliffs, glittering waterfalls, and blistering blue seas. It is part of the extensive Storfjorden system and runs over 15 kilometers, with high slopes and sharp peaks on both sides. There are a variety of beautiful waterfalls plunging down its cliffs, including Suder and Seven Sisters Falls. The beautiful and quiet towns of Geiranger and Hellesylt sit at each end of the fjord. 3. Tromsø. Tromsø is also known as the Arctic Gateway and is Norway's most significant city in the north. You will discover numerous fjords and snow-capped mountains here, the northernmost botanical park in the world, and even a golf course. You may take dog sled rides, camp in the northern lights, and have a pint or two at the local pub in the winter. Summers are all about beer, fishing, fjords, and kayaking to see whales. 4. Svalbard. Svalbard is an island group between the Arctic Ocean, the Barents Sea, and the Greenland Sea. Since 1920, the islands have been under Norwegian administration. Its settlements are the most northerly permanently populated parts of the world, much norther than any portion of Alaska and a handful of the Arctic islands of Canada. 5. Flam. Flam's going to feel like a land of leisure. It is a town in the south of Norway and is well known for its impressive fjords. The ideal way to visit this town is in the summer when the Flam port is bright and sparkling with birds and ferries coming up and down. You have to visit the ancient Flam church built around the valley in the 17th century and the Flam Railway Museum. Like many communities in the south, Flam is renowned for its fishing and kayaking tours. 6. Nordkapp. Nordkapp is also the municipality's name. In the village of Honningsvåg, you may take cliff excursions or organize walks and birdwatching tours of the island's picturesque landscapes. Nordkapp has long become one of the most renowned tourist destinations in Norway, overlooking the Arctic. The tall coastal cliff lies on Magaroya Island, the northernmost point of continental Europe, and is closer to the North Pole than in Oslo. Thanks you for watching.